This could be the car for you. 2026 Nissan Kicks. Relax and enjoy the ride in this comfortable Kicks, the affordable small crossover that prioritizes safety, efficiency, and fun. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging station, intelligent auto on-off high beams, all-wheel drive, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, 4-cylinder engine, keyless start. Get plenty of room without sacrificing efficiency in this good-looking Kicks. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.